Hello, today is maintenance day with Rowlett's Freedom Run. Come on, let's start working. On our Newmar coach, we have an actual winterizing kit, and it's really cool. So when we're using it, when it's in service, this is closed and these two are open. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm going to clean out the water heater. So what I'm going to do is open this so that I can suck in vinegar into the tank, and then I'm going to close these two so that no water is getting in the tank and I can drain it. Actually, this rod was in pretty good shape. You can see there's a middle ground right there. What this rod does is it sacrifices itself to take all the elements onto here, and instead of the tank getting into the elements. But what's really cool about this is that you can tell somebody has taken care of this coach. This is spring cleaning for me. It's my first one with this coach. And you can tell this is still a pretty new rod. I'm still going to replace it just because then I know I did it. Other people do, and I went ahead and did it, was I'm going to use this flush out. You stick it in there and you can flush out all the debris in there. Pretty much flush it until the water becomes clear coming out of there. And you see it is not clear. Getting pretty clean now. Now is just take, a good plumber's tape. Is there good? I don't know. It's a plumber's tape. And just wrap it on the threads. So that should do it. What I'm going to do now is put my lines, open my lines back up to the pump, reconnect the water, let the heater fill up, and we're back in business. Mention one thing, before you do this, inside we have water heater turn off. So we make sure that you turn off your water heater before you do all this.
There ain't no mountain that I can't move with the faith of a child.